Hello
Friends, welcome back to my channel. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my channel or my video, please hit the subscribe button, put on your notification bell, so whenever I put up a video, you will be the first person to see. So today I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm going to tell you how you can make luxurious lavender coffee facial scrub right from your home, like your kitchen, your bathroom, or any part of your house that pleases you to use. So lavender has several real benefits when used in face scrub, especially when combined with ingredients like sweet almond oil, granulated sugar, brown sugar, finely ground coffee, and lavender essential oil. So before I proceed, I simply want to tell you why we are making this particular luxurious lavender coffee facial scrub with these ingredients, why we are incorporating them. Lavender, with its soothing and calming effects, can soothe irritated or inflamed skin, reduce redness in the skin, and promote a more even complexion. Lavender has natural antibacterial and antiseptic properties which can help cleanse the skin, prevent acne, and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Then the combination of granulated sugar, brown sugar, and finely ground coffee provides effective exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover, leaving the skin smoother and more radiant. Then when it comes to using sweet almond oil, it's a rich, nourishing oil that helps moisturize the skin, providing essential fatty acids and vitamins that keep the skin soft and hydrated. Then finely ground coffee not only exfoliates the skin, but it also helps improve blood circulation, which can lead to a more glowing and refreshing appearance or refreshed appearance. So this scrub smells so nice. In fact, the scrub is as rich as and luxury as it looks. If you would prefer a creamier consistency for hands, use coconut oil in place of sweet almond oil. You know why? Because coconut oil starts to soften as soon as you start mixing, and even more once it mix with your skin. Yes. So here I'm going to give you the measurement, but I will convert it in gram in the comment section. Okay. So all you need is half cup of sweet almond oil, half cup of granulated sugar, half cup of brown sugar, half cup of finely ground coffee, 2 tablespoons of dried lavender flowers. Then you need 4 to 6 drops of lavender essential oil. Combine all the ingredients in a small bowl and stir to blend. Scoop into a container with a tight fitting lid. Please use a beautiful container. If you can, please label it so it looks so nice, because this is a luxurious product you are going to make all by yourself. You know, we are all looking for the options, like you glow and glow on a budget. Okay, so to use this, all you need to do is to wet your face and rub a small amount on your wet face and gently allow it to circulate. Like, use your hand. You know how it's done. Please don't use the hand scrub, all these clove that they use. Just use your hand and gently exfoliate your skin. So the only warning here is if it starts irritating your skin, it means that sugar exfoliation is not for you. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, put on your notification button. See, you'll be the first to see my videos. See you in my